why are tumors arising from that region? Tumors are is rising from the follicular cells of the thyroid gland. So let's actually get into the histology of this as well. So typically, whenever one thing that I've noticed on the USMLE now these days, they're asking more histological and pathological pictures. So over here you see a picture, of medullary thyroid carcinoma. You can see over here these round polygonal tumor cells, and you see this amyloid stroma as well. And this is typical image of this tumor. It's associated with amyloid, so you typically will order a Congo red stain. And this, by the time this presents in the patient, it'll actually already have been presented. It's already going to be spread through the entire lymphatic system and the blood. So it's pretty poor prognosis by that time, and that's why they typically present with cervical lymphadenopathy and so forth. And the growth pattern is typically solid, and they don't have a capsule. You don't see the capsule here, but they typically don't have a capsule. And most of this tumors derive from the C cells, and then the C cells will basically increase and of course cause amyloid deposition in the surrounding stroma right over here, as you can see.